I said I was gonna do this video a minute ago. It's gonna be another sound check. Now, the last video, like I said, the game was set to super safe, on the super safe mode. It was only halfway up. I took it a little further than that. So shit, overall, I'm happy with it. It's a lot louder. And for me to only be running 1100 watts, I done shut some shit down. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn it up. Playing ape shit off the iPod.
It's school day, nigga. It's
You already know what it is. The franchise, #1 in the streets.
It's the world. Let's get black talents in the motherfucking clip. Can't stop for the vet, left the dealership. Left the trap, came back in the spaceship. When I pulled up, them hoes big ape shit.
There's gonna be a couple people that don't like this, but that was that. I said I was gonna do another one, so I go ahead and gave it to you. Thanks to all y'all that subscribe, man. I was going through the videos I done uploaded. I seen a couple different videos getting some views. Shit, and that's it. When you on YouTube, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a couple views. So I just want to say thanks, man.